Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 64 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given a Bernoulli uh, PMF, which is f of x comma theta, which is equals to theta to the power x 1 minus theta whole to the power 1 minus x, where x is 0 and 1 and theta is 0 to 1. Now for testing h naught such that theta is equals to theta naught against the alternative theta is equals to theta 1, if z is equals to log f of x comma theta divided by f of x comma theta naught. Now we need to find the expected value of z. Okay, here given that z is equals to log f of x comma theta 1 divided by f of x comma theta naught. Therefore we can write log f of x comma theta 1 minus log f of x comma theta naught, which is equals to log theta 1 to the power x 1 minus theta 1 to the power 1 minus x minus log theta naught to the power x 1 minus theta naught to the power 1 minus x, which results in x log theta 1 plus 1 minus x log 1 minus theta 1, or minus x log theta naught minus 1 minus x log 1 minus theta naught. Okay, now expected value of z will be then log of theta 1 expectation of x plus log of 1 minus theta 1 1 minus expectation of x minus log of theta naught expectation of x minus 1 minus expectation of x log of 1 minus theta naught. Okay, now the value of expectation of x is theta for the case of Bernoulli distribution. Therefore expectation of z results in theta log theta 1 plus 1 minus theta log of 1 minus theta 1 minus theta log of theta naught minus 1 minus theta log of 1 minus theta naught. Then from this we get theta log of theta 1 plus log of 1 minus theta 1 minus theta log of 1 minus theta 1 minus theta log theta naught minus log of 1 minus theta naught plus theta log of 1 minus theta naught. From this step we can write this theta and 1 minus theta naught, this theta log 1 minus theta naught we can pull together and write theta log of theta 1 multiplied by 1 minus theta naught and theta log theta naught and theta log 1 minus theta 1, we can pull these two terms together and write theta log of theta naught 1 minus theta 1, and we also can write plus log 1 minus theta 1 divided by 1 minus theta naught from this circle two terms. Now after take theta as common, we get from this portion log of theta 1 1 minus theta naught whole divided by theta naught 1 minus theta 1 plus log of 1 minus theta 1 divided by 1 minus theta naught, which is the answer. Therefore our correct option is the option C. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.